What you want to avoid during this time is a yield maintenance, because with a high interest rate environment like this, yield debt is going to require you to pay that back for the life of the loan. Hey everybody, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Obviously, we are out at Adventurous today on a sea kayak in the Southern Ocean along the Antarctic Peninsula. There's our ship. It's very Antarctic-y around here. Sea ice formation here, and we've seen some penguins and some whales, and so hopefully maybe have some here during this video. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why Suzy and I are ensuring that the current loans we're getting on our properties that we're closing on is fixed rate. Why does that matter? Well, during this time of high interest rate environment, we're going to make sure that we can fix the rate for a period of time. And we're making sure that there's no long-term prepayment penalties on that fixed rate debt. Now, there's things that, you can get fixed rate for 3 years, for 5 years, for 7 years, for 10 years, right? But we also make sure that in addition to getting that fixed rate, we have a step down prepayment penalty or no prepayment penalty at all. What you want to avoid during this time is a yield maintenance, because with a high interest rate environment like this, yield debt is going to require you to pay that back for the life of the loan. So if you sell it within 2 years, but it's a 10-year yield maintenance debt, then you're going to have to pay the additional 8 years of interest on that. That's what Suzy and I are focusing on right now. You're trying to get as low a rate as possible and fixing it, because the variable as well right now is not very good, obviously, because the interest rates keep going up and up and up, right? There is a possibility they could go down, but we are focused on fixed rate debt, long-term debt with minimal or reduced prepayment penalties. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for more adventures from Antarctica. And don't forget to smash that like button below and hit subscribe so you'll be notified when we release our videos. Till next time, explore more, adventure awaits.
Woo!